Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of creating an OKX account, so you can participate in the ICE Network airdrop. It's quick and easy, so let's dive right in. Here's how to create an account with OKX. First and foremost, download their app OKX from Google Play Store or Apple Store. After downloading, the first step is to head over to the sign up option and create an account. Step 1. Head to the OKX homepage's top right corner and click Sign Up. Step 2. Enter your email address in the email field. Step 3. Click Sign Up. When you're ready to sign up with your email address. Step 4. Check your email for the 6-digit registration verification code that they will automatically send to you. Make sure it's your active email address, the one you can easily access. Step 5. You will have 10 minutes to enter the verification code into the Enter Code field. When you've done so, click Next to continue. Step 6. Enter the password you want to protect your account with. In the password field, click Next when you're satisfied. Note: never share your password with anyone, including people claiming to work for OKX. Step 7. You can now access your OKX account dashboard. To get started, click on Deposit and search for any assets. For example, you can search for your ICE wallet address. Choose the token network. Then copy your wallet address for deposit or receiving of your cryptocurrency or airdrop into your OKX account. For receiving your ICE network airdrop, copy your OKX exchange ICE wallet address. Then go to your ICE network mining app and click on the option for submitting your address. Paste your address on the field and click on Confirm Address to submit. Then wait for your deposit to reflect on your wallet. It will reflect after the distribution of the ICE airdrop. And there you have it. You've successfully created an OKX account and participated in the ICE Network airdrop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. We see you in the next video.